Hey folks, are you tired of boring presentations that put your audience to sleep? Traditional slides are one-way conversations. Your audience sits there, silent, disconnected. Meet Slideia, the AI-powered presentation tool that turns your slides into two-way conversations. Live polls, word clouds, quizzes, and Q&A, all in real time. Engage your audience instantly. Whether it's a classroom, boardroom, or webinar, Slideia makes every presentation interactive. Let's dive in and see how this works. This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions. First of all, click the link provided in the video description. It will take you to the official website of Slideia. This is an AI-powered tool that creates interactive and engaging PowerPoint presentations within seconds. Now you can turn your ideas into stunning PowerPoint presentations effortlessly. You can use pre-existing templates to create PowerPoint presentations, or you can use the AI-powered assistant to convert your ideas into stunning slides. This is not a normal tool that just turns your ideas into slides. Slideia creates interactive slides with features like word clouds, ranking questions, quizzes, and much more. First, let's log in using our ID. Once logged in, here is the main interface. It's very user-friendly. On the right side, you can see options for presentations, templates, and more. You can see that we have recently created these presentations and they can be easily accessed. As I mentioned earlier, this tool provides pre-existing templates to generate stunning PowerPoint presentations. You can choose your category based on your needs. These templates will kickstart your presentation. But this time, let's create a PowerPoint presentation from scratch. Here's the interface. You just need to input your area of interest. Let's suppose I want to create an interactive PowerPoint presentation on climate change. Then I can choose Standard Decks. Here you have options to choose the number of slides, varying from 10 to 12, 15 to 20, or 21 to 30 slides. You can choose the number of slides based on your needs. I'll go with the second option, 15 to 20 slides. Next, we need to choose the content type. Should the content be interactive, or should it be just plain content, or interactive with quizzes? You have three options. You can choose one based on your needs. I'll go with Content plus Interactive. Now, the first option is to choose your presentation style. You have various options ranging from corporate team meeting, client presentation, external presentation, corporate fundraising, and more. I'll go with academic and student-friendly. Then we need to choose the audience. Since I'm creating this PowerPoint presentation for my students, I'll choose Students. Next, we have an option to choose the image style. Since this AI tool generates AI images, we can choose the image style based on our needs. I'll go with Illustration. Once you set your preferences, you can see further down there's an option to add sources from your system. You can attach documents, and with the help of AI, you can make the content more relevant. Once you've set your preferences, hit Generate, and it will begin the process. Within a few seconds, you'll see this interface. On the right side, you can see the AI is processing and generating text. On the left side, you can see the slides being generated. These are the plain slides that have been created so far. You can move between different slides and check the content at this stage. If you're satisfied, you can move forward. If you're not satisfied, there's a prompt bar where you can ask the AI to edit or delete slides using the AI feature. Since I'm satisfied with this content, I'll hit Create Presentation. Here, you can see it has added relevant images, well-written content, and more. The presentation has been generated with a single click of a button. You can move between different slides and check each slide. At this point, you can make changes to your slides. Let's suppose I want to edit slide number 3. Here, you can see options varying from text, shapes, charts, videos, and more. Besides, we can change the slide background. I'll go with this specific color. You can also add images, audio files, and video files to make your slides more engaging. Let's move to the next slide. Here, you can see we have this image selected. At this point, we can change the image, its position, and we can even animate the image in a specific slide. You can do whatever you want to make sure your presentation looks perfect. Once your presentation is ready, you can click Present Mode. You can see different tips. Let's discuss them one by one. At this point, you can see the QR code and link that your audience can scan to participate. Just next to this, we have another option. Here, you can see we have different options we can use. You can use a highlighter. Just click Highlighter and choose the color you want. Likewise, you can erase anything you want. Once you're done with your annotation, you can use an arrow to specify anything. Besides, you can include rectangles or circles to focus and explain your slides better. Just click Clear All and the entire annotations will be deleted. You can see once your audience joins the presentation, they can use different emojis and they can even leave live comments to participate in the presentation. Your audience can access your presentation remotely and they can contribute if needed. Moreover, if you want to add new slides, you can do that. You can include slides for quiz competitions like Pick Answer, Number Lineup, Multiple Choice Questions, Word Cloud, and more. By just clicking, you'll be able to create slides of different types. Once you're done with your presentation, you can also import any existing presentation. In my case, let's suppose I want to add a presentation that talks about AI's impact on human life. Just choose it, and within a few seconds, it will be imported into your tool. Now you can make changes to your existing PowerPoint presentation. If you want to filter any particular language, you can use the profanity filter. Just click Settings, and then you have Language Preference options. Under this tab, you'll be able to see the profanity filter. This is a unique feature that is included in Slideia. Other settings can be made for the participants. You can choose between different options like Display Join Instructions, Allow Audience to leave comments, Let Audience ask questions, and more. Further, you can add more emojis. Let me select all these emojis, and then you'll be able to see all the emojis at the bottom of each slide. Your audience will interact by clicking any of the emojis. Under the Results tab, you'll be able to see the summary of the results, number of participants, quizzes, Q&A, and more. Besides, you can see responses under this tab. Once the audience scans and joins this presentation, it will show their responses. You can see our presentation is about global warming. See, this is the slide, and at the bottom, you can see 4 responses so far. The correct option is the second one, and only 2 of the participants have selected this option. Likewise, you can see the number of participants as well. We have another slide where the audience is leaving different responses for the word cloud. You can see participants are participating and sharing their thoughts on one climate action that can improve both climate and human health at the same time. Likewise, we have another slide that supports ranking the following activities based on their impact on global warming. We can see different audience members have recorded their rankings. Altogether, we can include up to 250 participants. And this is how you can make your PowerPoint presentations more interactive using Slideia. Absolutely amazing! Let's discuss pricing details. Plans are available on a yearly or monthly basis, and anyone can afford them. The link is provided in the description. Try it out and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Besides, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more AI-related content. See you in the next video. Bye!